Well, practically no rain in the valley today. A couple very small showers in the ranch country mainly. You see radar over the last, about 3 hours. The sea breeze, not much left to it, but a couple showers were briefly popping up in northern Hidalgo County and southern Kennedy County and parts of Brooks County and then fading away. So we zoom in there and you see over about the last hour or two, there it goes, a couple little showers and gone. So that's about it. And we may see a few more than that tomorrow. I think with more moisture in the air tomorrow, the sea breeze could spark more than just 1 or 2 showers, maybe a few more scattered around and maybe a few bursts of some slightly heavier rain with the added moisture going into the clouds. Right now, though, it's hot and dry, 100 in McAllen, 106 in Rio Grande City. Most of the lower half of the valley stayed in the 90s today, and it is a little breezier there. It's 95 in Harlingen and 92 in Port Isabel. Tomorrow, maybe a couple showers or storms in spots. You see how there's some cooler color shadings on there. If you do get caught under a shower or storm or so the clouds that may be increasing, I think that's enough to hold temperatures down a bit. So highs may only reach about the mid 90s over most of the valley, maybe a little hotter to the west. But if you do get the sea breeze coming in and it sparks a big enough shower or storm, some of the clouds spreading out may also help drop temperatures down a few degrees below that after we hit our high temperatures maybe by about midday. So tomorrow may be a day where it stays a little cooler overall depending on where the shower or storm chances are around us. 80 in the morning, though, about 95 by noon, a high in the mid to upper 90s in the afternoon, but cooling back into the mid 90s by later in the day with a shower or storm in spots and then fading away quickly in the evening. So our best chance of rain kind of in the late morning and afternoon hours. Might even be a small chance to see a shower near the coast very late tonight, like maybe 3 or 4 in the morning. You see the moisture is nearby, clouds and some showers out in the Gulf, and some of this moisture kind of drifting its way to the northwest will be moving in tomorrow and still at least some of it around on Sunday. So it may not be quite this cloudy and rainy like you see in the Gulf, but with that added moisture in and some daytime heating, a few showers or storms are possible. Elsewhere across Texas, you see some scattered storms in the hill country. In this area kind of out here in West Texas, West Central Texas will have the most rain over the weekend and through about Monday or Tuesday, where some of those places could easily get 2 or 3, maybe 4 inches of rain or more. Some of that goes into our watershed in the Rio Grande and eventually comes down our way into our lakes and reservoirs. But our rainfall amounts look much less than that. Future track overnight shows dry weather through at least midnight, but you did notice a couple little blips on there well after midnight and towards sunrise. Maybe a quick little sprinkle or shower late tonight. And then during the day tomorrow, about a 30% chance of a shower or storm popping up. You see future track doesn't have rain everywhere, but as we heat up some, we could see the showers and storms develop with the sea breeze. And kind of the same thing on Sunday, although Sunday may be a little quieter in terms of the amount of showers or a storm, but you see a couple are still possible on Sunday. Then after that, I think we're back down to mainly just breezy, hot, and dry for a while. So the first 1570 forecast, highs may be a little cooler Saturday and Sunday, but not by much. Our best chance of rain is on Saturday at about 30%, probably closer to 20 on Sunday, and then after that, no more than 10% at the very most any day next week. Sunday, though, keep an eye on Sunday, maybe rather windy. We could see some gusty winds Sunday afternoon if you are outside on Sunday. We'll keep tracking it in your first 1-5 forecast here coming up.